by Holly. NHRA Factory X category. We're at the semifinals. 4 cars left in the category. Hey, you like classic pro stock? Remember way back in the day when people were going to a junkyard and pulling out steel roofing 4 panels and making them red? Stephen Bell, car dealer, loves sports. They love selling cars. That is number 1. Over there on the right-hand side, lane number 4, that's Jesse Alexander. Jesse, who has had great success in Flex Jet Factory Stock Showdown. Jesse won U.S. Nationals a couple times. Door handle, it's a win light for Jesse Alexandra. Jesse Alexandra drives around Stephen Bell by 0. Stephen Bell with 732.7 and 190. And as they continue to learn what these cars want. Tires on. You got a wet sub boiling system. They want to keep it up above the frame rail. So we got a 13 straight down center line. Put the engine way up high out front. That is a great challenge for the chassis team. So we got one of our finalists, Jesse Alexandra, going to compete for his first Factory X win. That's right, Holly, EFI NHRA Factory X. Ask for permission and talk to the Janik brothers. Are you guys okay with this? Is everybody okay with it? This is the product. Lenny Lotting. 7.01 at 194 miles an hour. Lenny Lottie with a better 60-foot time, 7:19. It falls by the wayside.
That's history on the official document after the official national event debut 2 weeks ago in Las Vegas, which was won by the driver of the left lane's father, Greg Stansfield. This time, it's Aaron. Double A-Rod. Goes 7:08 at 193 miles per hour and joins his father Greg as the only 2 winners in the history of Holly EFI Factory.